Today we're gonna make some mango steak.
It's gonna be yummy.
Yep, so yummy. It even has white cream.
Good afternoon, everyone. I have been to the farmer's market this morning. It's Sunday, and I've got my weekly supply of mangoes. I got lucky. I got a pretty good bunch this morning. I got 4 kilos here, and I got thinking about making a mango shake. Haven't done it for a long time, so I thought I'd show you how I make my mango shakes. And it's different than your restaurant shakes, and I'll tell you why. There's some things you should know about the way they do them in restaurants. So we'll get to that later. But in the meantime, I think I better get my apron on. This could get messy. So I'll put this down. I'll just grab my apron here. I'm gonna wear this brand new blue one from the States. It just arrived in a buying box. So I think this is a good color. Should I put it on? All right, let's put this one on and we'll get started. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna show you my ingredients and how I prep. Okay, let's go. We are so fortunate to live in the Philippines and have such easy access to the best mangoes in the world. Fresh, locally grown, organic, and so plentiful. And I'm gonna make a really nice shake today. I hope you guys enjoy this. They're very sweet anyway. They're loaded with all kinds of vitamins and nutrition. We'll probably put it in a ticker tape down here to run it by again. You don't really need to add a lot of sugar. So what I was gonna say earlier, I mentioned, alluded to, was that in the restaurants and the dive resorts, they don't make mangoes like this because they're very, very cost conscious. Their mangoes are made from condensed milk, which is loaded with tons of sugar. Just look it up if you're interested, or the evaporated milk. And also has high fructose corn syrup in it, and it's just not healthy at all. But they do that because they also don't use milk. So they use water instead, so they have to sweeten it. And on top of that, what they do, and I've actually seen them do it, I actually watched them do this. I ordered a mango shake at one of the dive resorts, and they put 1 whole cup of sugar in there after putting in over a half a cup or almost a whole cup of condensed milk. And then they put a little tiny bit, I'm going to show you how much mango they put in. And here's what they do. They go to the mango and buy a bunch of mangoes during the high season when there's so many mangoes and the price is really low. They buy tons of mangoes and then they prep them and they freeze them. So what you end up getting in your mango, which you think is so great and you're gonna pay a few bucks for, they'll give you about this much mangoes, maybe a little tiny bit more. They give you just about, maybe, if you're lucky, you're gonna get a half a mango in your mango shake, and that's it. Okay, let's look at the ingredient list today. We've got mangoes. We got 2 mangoes right here, the cheeks of the mangoes, the middle part, the seeds you throw away, and the center part of the cut you don't use, or you can use, but anyway, we're just using the cheeks of the mango, so there's 2 whole mangoes in here. All right, we're gonna use milk, about 1.5 cups of milk. We're gonna use probably 1 little banana. I'm gonna put a little bit of this organic local honey in just for a little sweetener. I'm gonna put a little bit of whipped cream on top, and then they're gonna put some ice, about 1.5 cups of ice in there. So then at the end, I might just throw some of my nutritional vitamins on top of it, just for fun. The nutritional yeast. Okay, this isn't the normal recipe for everyone, but this is really great stuff if you want all the B vitamins totally packed with B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, and a few others I can't think of. And so anyway, let's get started with the regular recipe. All right, we're gonna start with the mangoes. We'll just throw them right in. The hard part of all this, of course, is the preparation. You know, it just takes time to cut all these little guys and first skin them and cut them up. So there's 2 mangoes in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put in some milk. I think that's enough. That's a good cup right there. I'm gonna throw in 1 banana. And we're gonna put in a little bit of this natural organic honey. Try to do a teaspoon, maybe 2. That's enough. That is enough. Another thing people add sometimes, you can add yogurt if you want to. You can add, vanilla. You can add vanilla in there, natural vanilla in there if you want. It's good for you, and it tastes good too. So those are optional things you can add if you like. So let's go ahead and see how this goes. Let's put a little bit of ice in. We're going to put about a cup and a half of ice. Okay. This blender should do the trick. You want to blend it for 3 or 4 minutes.
What are you doing? Are you waiting for the mango shake?
What? Just started to make the mango shake.
Yeah.
Rhea, pick out what color straw you want.
You want the red one?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, that's it.
I'm so excited to put whipped cream.
Are you excited, Bria?
Yeah, I'm so excited for the whipped cream. This is whipped cream, so this is whipped cream.
Looks yummy.
Yep, let's
You want a little of this in there, Bria?
Yeah.
You want a little taste?
Oh. Wow, look at that.
Got your favorite straw?
What's your straw? Wrong way? Another way?
Put it this way. You gotta put the bindi end up. That's it. Give it a taste test.
How is it?
Can I try? Let me try.
Ah! Is it like
Is it
that?
good? Can I try a sip of yours? Let me try a sip. Very good.
I just started throat wiggles.
And you know what? We didn't have to add any white refined sugar, and it's pretty good. Could add a little bit more honey on that one maybe, but it's excellent. Good for you and healthy too.
Right for you? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's always so much better to just make it yourself at home, because the restaurants, they don't do justice to it unless you go to a really special restaurant. You know the people, and you can watch them, and then you'll know what they really do back there in the kitchen. Okay.
And when you forgot the ingredients, just watch the video all over again.
We got lots of mangoes. We can make a few of these. We're each going to have some. Okay. Enjoy.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Louder.
Bye, everybody.
You want one? You want one?
Yes.
This is for you.
Is that for me?
That's right. What color straw do you want?
I want pink.
Pink.
Please.
Give Mommy a pink straw.
Pink, please.
I knew you were gonna pick pink because purple's your favorite color.
Here we go. Here's yours.
Okay. Are you ready?
Can we get this straw out of mine? Let me take a taste of yours. Can I take a taste of yours?
Oh my God, it's really good. You don't need sugar, it's already sweet. And this is very healthy too, I can tell. Alright, see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Yummy.
Put it in there, Bria. You're missing the whole thing. You're missing the whole thing.